Have you ever watched someone speak English so naturally that you wondered how do they do that? Have you ever wanted to express your thoughts in English but found yourself searching for words, feeling nervous or afraid of making mistakes? If your answer is yes, then this speech is so you. Today I want to tell you something that can change the way you learn English forever. Speaking English fluently is not a gift, it is not a talent that only a few lucky people have. It is a skill, and every skill can be learned with the right practice. You don't need to be born in an English speaking country. You don't need expensive course. You don't even need perfect grammar to start speaking. What you really need is confidence, consistency, and the courage to make mistakes. Imagine yourself 6 months from today. You are speaking English confidently. In an interview, you are talking with international friends. You are creating YouTube videos in English without hesitation. People understand you and you understand them. Doesn't that sound exciting? The good news is that this future is possible, but only if you start today. Let me tell you a short story. There was a young man from a small town. He dreamed of speaking English fluently because he wanted to become a successful content creator. Every time he tried to speak, people laughed at his pronunciation. Sometimes he forgot simple words. Sometimes he translated every sentence from his native language, and that made him slow. He felt embarrassed and almost give up. One day he made a decision. He stopped worrying about being perfect. Instead, he promised himself that he would speak English for 15 minutes every day. At first, it felt strange. He spoke in front of a mirror. He described the things around him. He watched English videos and repeated every sentence aloud. Slowly, his confidence started growing. Weeks turned into months. 1 year later, he was creating English videos for thousands of people. What changed? His talent? No, his environment? Not really. The only things that changed was his daily habit. This story teaches us an important lesson. Small action repeated every day create big result. Now let me ask you another question. When a child learns to speak, does anyone expect perfect grammar? On the first day, of course, not. Children listen first, then they speak broken sentence. They make hundreds of mistakes, but nobody tell them to stop speaking. That is exactly how we should learn English. May learner thinks they need to memorize thousands of grammar rules before speaking. This is one of the biggest mistakes. Grammar is important, but speaking comes from practice. Things about riding a bicycle, you cannot learn it only by reading a book. You must get on the bicycle on balance, fall a few times, and keep trying. Speaking English works the same day. The first secret to speaking English fluently is listening. Before you become a good speaker, you must become a good listener. Listen to English every single day. Watch interviews, podcasts, YouTube videos, cartoons, documentaries, or shorts conversations. At first, you may understand only a few words, That is completely normal. Keep listening. Your brain is learning even when you think it is not. Choose content that interests you. If you love sports, watch sports video in English. If you enjoy cooking, watch cooking channels. If you like technology, listen to tech reviews. Learning becomes much easier when you enjoy the topic. The second secret is speaking without fear. Many people stay silent because they are afraid of making mistakes. What mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every fluently English speaker you admire made thousands of mistakes before becoming confident. Imagine a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times. Does the baby quit? No, every fall mistakes the baby is stronger. Your English journey is exactly the same. Every mistakes bring you one step closer to fluency. Here is a simple exercise you can start today. Look around your room and describe everything you see in English. Say, this is my chair. The chair is brown. My laptop is on the table. I have a water bottle next to me. Today I am studying English. Don't worry if your sentences are simple. English spoken confidently is much better than perfect English that stays inside your mind. Another powerful habits is thinking in English instead of translating every thoughts from your native language. Try thinking directly in English when you wake up. Say in your mind, good morning, today is going to be a productive day. I need to brush my teeth, have breakfast, and start my work. This may feel difficult at first, but with practice it becomes natural. Reading is another powerful teacher. Read short English articles, stories, or books every day. When you find a new words, don't just memorize it. Use is it immediately in your own sentence. For example, if you learn the word confident, say I am becoming more confident every day. Using new words helps your brain remember them for a long time. One of the biggest problem learners face is forgetting vocabulary. The solution is not to memorize hundreds of words at once. Learn 5 useful words every day and use each word in different sentences. 5 words every day become 35 words every week and more than 1800 words in 1 year. Small progress creates extraordinary result. Now let's talk about pronunciation. Many learners believe they need a perfect foreign accent. The truth is that communication is more important than sounding like a native speaker. Speak clearly, speak slowly if needed. Focus on being understood instead of sounding perfect. Confidence is more attractive than a perfect accent. Shorting is one of the best pronunciation techniques. Listen to a native speaker and immediately repeat the sentence exactly as you hear it. Copy the rhythm, the speed, and the emotion. Do this for 10 minutes every day. Over time, your pronunciation and fluency will improve naturally. Another habit that change everything is recording yourself. Use your phone to record a 1 minute speech every day. Talk about your day, your goals, your family, or your favorite movie. Then listen to your recording. At first, you may feel uncomfortable. That is normal, but every recording will show you where you can improve. After a few months, compare your first recording with your latest one. You will be surprised by your progress. Remember this important truth: fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency means expressing your ideas clearly and confidently. Even native speakers pause, think, and sometimes forget words. That doesn't make them poor speakers, it makes them human. So never compare your beginning with someone else success. Compare yourself only with the person you were yesterday. If you know one more word today, you have improved. If you spoke one more sentences today, you have improved. If you listen to English for 10 more minutes today, you have improved. Every great journey begins with one small step. Your English journey begins with one sentences, one conversation, one mistake, and one day of consistent practice. The question is not whether you can become fluent. The real question is whether you are willing to practice every single day until fluency becomes your reality. And this is only beginning of your journey. In the next part we will explore the daily habits, powerful routines, and confidence building techniques that can transform an ordinary English learner into a fluent English speaker. Wait for next part.